In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow permissions on Chrome. Understanding how to manage permissions in your browser is essential to ensure both functionality and privacy when browsing the web. Let's walk through a simple and comprehensive guide on how to adjust these settings so you can optimize your online experience. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the upper right-hand corner, you should see the three-dot menu icon. This is your gateway to many of Chrome's settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, navigate down to Settings. Clicking this will open a new tab displaying all the settings you can configure within Chrome. Within the Settings tab, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you can control many aspects of how your browsing data is handled. Within this section, you'll find an option called Site Settings. Go ahead and click on Site Settings. This will take you to a place where you can manage what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Under the Permissions heading, you'll see a list of different categories. These include common permissions like location, camera, microphone, notifications, JavaScript, and pop-ups and redirects. Each of these categories allows you to customize how different websites interact with each specific function of your browser. Let's take camera as an example. If you frequently use your video conferencing applications or any other apps that require camera access, it's crucial to ensure your settings allow this. Go ahead and click on Camera. Here, you'll see a toggle switch next to the option Sites can ask to use your camera. Ensure this toggle is turned on, giving sites the ability to request camera access when needed. This option gives you the control to grant or deny access to your camera based on each individual website's request. Additionally, if there are particular sites you trust and use often, you might want to make it easier for them to access your camera. You can do this by adding them under a section called Allowed to Use Your Camera. This means these sites won't need to ask for permission every time, making your browsing experience more seamless and efficient. In following these steps, you can easily allow or deny permissions for specific features as required, providing a streamlined and secure browsing experience. Regularly reviewing these permissions is a good habit to make sure only trusted websites are accessing your information. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to allow permissions on Chrome. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Happy browsing!